Hi guys, it's Don with Illinois Sasquatch. We're back. I did some zooms the other day, some scans of the tree line, and I'm back in the same position. It was a little windy that day, and it was flurrying, and we had a little snow, and I had a hard time filming. Today it's overcast, slightly. A little fog has rolled in the west. As you can see, I'm pointed to the west, and I'm on the edge of a tree line along a watershed on the river, and that's farm field in the foreground. So we're going to do some scans and the tree line and some zooms and see what we can see what we can find. Maybe we'll pick up some audio too. But I was in the spot yesterday and had a coyote run in front of me. Of course, I didn't get it with this camera. I got it with my FLIR. So we're going to continue and see what we can see with this camera. If you guys scrub through any of this and see anything, please let me know. Yeah, I don't know if that fog is causing my autofocus to just constantly readjust. I'll be back, guys. I'm going to turn my powered IS off. Okay, I'm back, guys. It wasn't that, but I think it's just my autofocus going in and out. So I... scan back and or zoom back. Not that much, but Yeah, the fog's real thick right there. It's throwing my automatic focus off. It's focusing on the fog in the foreground, then the trees in the background. Yeah, the fog is really rolling in thick, which is great because I might see some deer today. That's only 30 yards, 25, 30 yards from me, that robin. Right there. So spring is here. Looking here. This is where I spotted the crows. Several of them landed in this cornfield by the tree line yesterday. Area the fog hasn't reached right here, just east of us. This doesn't look too bad here. Well, we're still scanning, guys, and I'm not seeing much. What appears to be pareidolia or matrix scene in this video. Like, I don't make anything out of those until I can, somebody with photo enhancement software, which I'm only experimenting with now, could blow that up and tell me, maybe not definitively, but that it is or isn't not anything of significance. I don't rule anything out until I have all the facts in. The fog is so thick that actually there's a high tension power tower, a power line cut with a electrical tower right where I'm pointing the camera, but the fog has obscured it as it's rolling in, and I think that's it right there. You'll see it come in and out of focus as my AF makes adjustments for the light. There it is right there. Yeah, it is low light, so hang on, guys, I'll be right back. Try another adjustment. Bye bye.